here now? I think I've been with the other side, man. Huh? He ain't got some headers put on there. He got that intake. Yeah, he got that intake. You gotta watch out for them. Oh boy tried to ask me why was I bad with that other car. I told him because he got that intake. Okay. Alright, y'all. We got Ace Hardware coming up. Home Depot, little brother.
How you doing? Look
out. We got Ace Hardware. Or is this Harbor Freight?
There's a
True
lot
value.
There's a lot of water.
Lot of water. Hey, okay. Right there, that's enough. I like that.
You put one in here too?
Hey, Jabba, you remember Ralph? Raffle? Yeah. They used to stay with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's him right here. Watch how hard he got that damn truck running. What he finna give him? Huh? What he finna give him?
They eat hot heads up. Just potatoes.
Oh, okay. I forgot that truck on kill. Yeah. Sick of Ralph out here. Look out, y'all. Make sure y'all like. Yeah, man, I'm glad they looking out for me, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the share button. Tell your friends. Tell everybody, man. You know what I'm saying? It's about to go down. It's about to go down. We got a GTR coming up in the lanes. Anybody got any questions? 132 people show up wide today. Who we got in the house today, y'all? What city? Rip y'all city one time for the one time. Yeah, Rip city one time. Shit look good. I think I want some tacos. Oh, hey, look out, look out. Oh. Damn fool. He trying to do something, y'all. We got Rob from Kansas in the bed. Look out, man. What y'all up to in there, man?
What's up, boy?
Look out. What y'all finna do, man? Shit, in the garage. I'm in the garage. We got the Nola in the house, y'all. I think I'm supposed to be going to the... I ain't supposed to be going down in New Orleans this week. Chiquita. Wait a minute.
What's up?
Chiquita aquí?
Oh, no.
Oh, no,
My dad's watching him.
Oh, snap.
He's gonna know he's running the...
We got the Red Oak. We got Red Oak in the building, y'all. Long Island, New York. Okay. Got Long Island, New York in the building. One time for the one time. Hey, y'all.
Hi.
Y'all be racing? This y'all first time?
Yeah.
What? Y'all on my YouTube channel?
No.
I gotta put y'all on one time for the one time. Hold on. What my car's at? Make sure. Oh, you don't want nobody to see? You probably ain't supposed to be here.
I am.
Oh, you is? Okay, here you go. Get that one to her. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your uncle, tell your partner, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Already. I sure appreciate. What y'all trying to run today? Y'all ever been to it? You ain't finna run this because it got some slicks on it. I know this ain't yours.
This is mine.
I ain't got slicks on it.
This is mine.
That's in the back.
I bought this today.
You don't know nothing about that.
This is not mine?
What's your name?
This is not mine?
That's in the back.
That's not mine.
Oh, that's
that
you?
was yeah, that's me.
Oh shit,
And
that's
I
you.
bought this today, yeah.
Damn.
Look, you don't believe me. Be there at 8. I'm here.
Oh shit, that's her,
Oh,
y'all.
that's not me. That's not me.
Let me see something. SNZ 510. She said it's hers, y'all. That's all I know. She got the tires on there and everything. Damn. What all work? You done did some work to it? You got a YouTube channel or something?
No.
What you be doing?